All right, so now we have our stimuli of interest all entered, the images of them, and it's time now to name or select our attributes. Both feature and emotion attributes are included in any IEPY study. So let's go to the feature attributes first. Notice that, by the way, you'll also notice that I've made the screen smaller so you can see the whole page. But here are the feature attributes. We have our paragraph, which is on all of our pages. You can read that. We have some requirements here and some tips here, which you'll want to read and follow those guidelines. When you go here, you'll see that we have some default attributes in there just to give you an example of what they might look like. But depending upon your strategic objectives, you will likely want to change these. So to change them, all you do is go in and select the text and type over it. So quality, I'll say quality there just to show you how it works. I'm going to switch it back to high quality. Now, another thing, you'll do that with all of the fields you have for the attributes. Your positive attributes are listed here, your negative attributes are listed here, and you can have up to 8 of each positive and negative feature attributes. Now, with that being said, I want to say that 8 is a large number. When you conduct your studies, the more attributes you have, the smaller your scores will be when you get to the output. I'll explain that later. But my point here is that you'll want to limit your attributes as much as possible. I like to go with 6 and 6. So what I'm going to do for this study is I'm going to get rid of 2 of the attributes here at the bottom, both positive and negative attributes. By the way, it's a good idea to have the same number of positive and the same number of negative attributes because that will create symmetry in what the responses are seeing, as you'll see later when we preview your survey. So that's basically it. When you have all of the attributes that you want, you just type them into the various fields here, and when you're done, you hit submit. I'll do that in a second. But I will also say this, that many clients ask us, well, what attributes should we have? Again, this is really up to you. It depends upon what your strategic objectives are for whatever the entities are that you're evaluating. So you can put in whatever you want. We will consult with you, and if we see some attributes that we don't think will work well in the process, we'll let you know. But it's really up to you what feature attributes and emotion attributes that you want to put into your survey. So when you have all of those fields filled in, you hit submit, and we'll go back to our design and manage your IEPY study. The attributes have been updated successfully. Next, we'll move on to the emotion attributes in the next video.